Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, my people, wherever you are watching me from. This is Lydia Sipeti. 782 is a YouTube channel. Karibu sana katika YouTube yangu. It's glory to God, kwa sababu ameifanya siku hii jinsi ilivyo. Ametengeneza masingara, imekuwa poa. This is how the nature is looking like around here. Yes, Mungu ni mzuri, ametufanya tumeweza kuona siku ingine ambayo Mungu ameifanya. That was a kitten carrying her baby. Yes, it's another day that God has made. I'm so thankful for the blessing of the life and the gift of the life to see this day. And thank you to you, my people, my friends, mahali popote mlipo, kwa 600 subscribers. Thank you. May God bless all of you. May God endelee kuwa alinda ili tuweze kuendelea kusukuma ili kurudumu la maisha na YouTubing pamoja, kutengeneza contents pamoja tukisonga mbele. Asante sana, Mungu awabariki sana kwa content creation. Yes, let me show you around where I am at this time. This is the place that I am for now. I'm taking the video around. Yes, it's a little bit sunny. Yes, there, you see, the nature is very happy. The nature is very happy. Yes, for those who don't know, this is Kileleshwa, Nairobi, Kenya. Yes, cool place. Yes. Very cool, and we thank God for that. Yes, hapa ni venye mtu ukichoka unaweza kuja ukapunga hewa, ukapiga maselfie na mapicha. Even ukifanya wedding yako, you can come here na ukapiga show kali sana, ukapiga manini yako nzuri sana. You see? Yes, you see? Ukapiga mapicha zako nzuri sana na ukaweka kwa profile yako. Very beautiful place to be. Yes. Yes, vile nilikuwa nawaambia ni place ingine nzuri sana. Very cool place. Yes. Mtu unaweza kuja ukapiga picha zako, ukatoa video zako za harusi. It's a very nice compound na flowers. Sisahau hapa nyuma yangu kuna swimming pool. Kuna swimming pool pale. Mtu unaweza fanya makekezi yako, ukafanya nini? Ukaogelea. Yes. Maneno mazuri, good places to be. You see? Very beautiful. This is a clubhouse, where you can come and host your things. Yeah, and you can have fun. Yes, this is it, you see? This is a clubhouse where you can come and enjoy yourself and do exercise. Yes, I don't want to show you inside because someone is inside there doing her thing. Yes, I'm so grateful to God for that. Now, this is the place. You see the swimming pool, the nature, very nice. Thank you, my people. I thought I should share with you the surroundings where I stay. Yes, I move around. Yes, let's meet in down there or the comment section to tell me how do you see. And the noise you are hearing is because of the river that is around here. Yes, we have the river across here. I don't know if you can see the river is there. That is the river. Nairobi River passed here. So environment is so well. Tukutane kwa comment section niambie umeona aje hayo mazingira. Na kule unaona ni State House. Yes. Asante sana kwa kutazama. Nimesema nionyeshe mazingira yenye huwa ninakaa. May God bless all of you. Mahali popote mlipo. Let's meet in the comment section and tell me unaona aje my environment. How is it? How is it? Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Bye.